With the new RBI guidelines coming into picture, your CVV number will not be stored, or even your card details will not be stored by any of the online shopping portals. But there is a new way out of it. I'll tell you what. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap-Up. This is Kishore here. The markets had a dull day today. There was a lot of volatility, but at the end it ended up in negative zone, but more or less it closed flat. Sensex went down by 17 points and the same closed at 58,279. Nifty went down by 15 points and the same closed at 17,362 because of the main negative cues across the market. IT and the reality were the ones which dragged the market the most. Apart from this, the big news for the day, electric car maker Tesla plans to roll out the cars through their own retail showrooms. They will not have dealers, they will be having company owned showrooms. But again, there is a FDI norm which they will have to take care, wherein they say that the foreign direct investment guidelines has to be followed, based upon which they can go for single brand retail outlet. However, they'll have to buy locally sourced products. Only then they'll be allowed to do it. Otherwise, they'll have to do through an Indian partner. That is what the guideline says. Apart from this, the big news for the day is Kane, which is an international company, gets 1 billion refund offer, and they drop the case against the Indian government, wherein there were a lot of things that were there behind it. Probably you can just go through it in detail over here, wherein they were supposed to pay a particular sum which is as per the tax for the land or the oil that they had discovered few years back. However, they told that it was not done under our regime. It was one other company which did it and we just acquired it. So we are not supposed to pay the tax and other things. So government took it back, wherein this was a rule which was made in 2012 and now they have taken it back. So this is what the news is. As I told you, autopay, you will have to use a third-party app, which is like Google Pay, Paytm or any other thing, wherein your subscription towards a lot of these facilities like Netflix, Amazon or any other thing will auto-renew whenever it is due to renew using this UPI apps. Otherwise, earlier you had to do it through credit card and other things, wherein there would be charges and you will have to store your card details with the vendor, which is no more a case now. So you can use this particular thing. At the same time, loan repayments, rental payments, educational fees and other things will also be allowed to be done in the same way, is what the government directive says. IPO news, Healthium, which is again a health medical tech company, files for IPO with the regulator, wherein the public issue will comprise of 390 crores and the offer for sale is almost 3.91 crores equity shares by the shareholders. So the fresh thing is 390 crores and the remaining all are from the existing shareholders. Top gainer for the day is HDFC, which went up by 2.59% and the same closed at 2,837 rupees. Top loser for the day is Sun Pharma, which went down by 1.83% and the same closed at 769 rupees 90 paise. Gold has gone down by 144 rupees 510 grams and the same is right now trading at 47,281. Silver has gone down by 881 rupees and the same is right now trading at 64,411 rupees. USD has gone up by 34 paise and the same is right now trading at 73 rupees 75 paise. Euro has gone up by 43 paise and the same is right now trading at 87 rupees 33 paise. Petrol and diesel has been reduced by 10 paise in India. And crude as such has gone down in international markets thanks to the Middle East dropping in prices of crude, because of which price right now is 5,027 rupees and the same is down by 7 rupees. The technical charts, however, do not give us clear indication because market closed more or less flat. So we just have to wait and see how the global markets would react, based upon which we'll get to know what will happen in the markets tomorrow. With this, we come to the end of today's market wrap-up. Do like and subscribe the channel and share the videos amongst your friends so more people can get to learn and they can earn. And yes, get yourself vaccinated and take care of your health. See ya. Take care.